In this video, I'm going to show you how to change lock screen on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, the first thing that you'll need to do is you'll go to your taskbar at the bottom. Then on your Windows icon, you are going to right click on it. Then go to settings. Then settings will launch. So here on setting, you are going to click on personalization. Then it will bring you here. So on your left, you are going to see lock screen. Click on it. Then as you can see, this is my lock screen. So in order to change this lock screen, so the first thing that you need to do is you will click here. Then you'll be able to see Windows Spotlight. So you can choose, you can browse for any picture. As you can see, these are my recent pictures. Then in order to switch to a slides background, you are on your lock screen, you are going to click on this drop down again. Then you will click on slideshow. Then here you can choose album for your slideshow. So in order to add album, you are just going to click here, add a folder. Then you can go to the location where your pictures are. You can put your pictures in one folder, then you can select that folder. So once you've done that, I'm going to select this one because this is the folder where my pictures are. Then after you have selected that, your pictures will be displayed here as your background on your lock screen. Then you can scroll down a little bit. Then you can go to get facts, tips and more for Windows and Cortana on your lock screen. So you can also enable this one. Then you can go to advanced slideshow settings. Then here you can choose the one that you prefer. So as you can see, when my PC is inactive, show lock screen instead of turning off. So you can see I've enabled that. Use only pictures that fit my screen. You can also enable that. Then on this one, play a slideshow when using battery power. So this one I've disabled because of power. So that's really it, guys. That's how to change your lock screen pictures in Windows 10 and Windows 11. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.